This is Joe, and I'm here at the Borderline Bar and Grill where the shootout was that happened to kill apparently some sheriffs and police officers and some innocent customers, which of course is not true. Let me see, I've been here in Ventura for 10 years and I pretty much know the ins and outs better than most government employees and even politicians because of my life. Not talking about my investigations, posting it on YouTube, pretty much keeping it to myself. The information would not be understood and you would not find it on conspiracy sites or Alex Jones or anything like that because the computers would censor it automatically. It's a little too sensitive, but basically what it is Hollywood shootout propaganda or a scarecrow shootout. It's not even real, it never happened. The Borderline Bar and Grill, they taped it up. Somebody, probably a local, one of the paranoides, like that red car that was just parked in front of me, they constantly do that when I walk by. They're locals, neighborhood watch, ex-Hollywood, ex-armed forces, paranoid females, endless. Mexicans, they're not even from the States. They're paranoid because they won't stop watching TV. Americans, stupid fucking Americans. They won't stop watching fucking television and their phone crap, YouTube crap, about all the lies and misinformation and even fucking conspiracy sites. The government never tells the truth. Nobody, you'll find nothing like this ever anywhere in your life about the real truth about all these shootouts all over the States, but this is one of them. I've been there for 10 years. This is definitely a surfer, an ex-surf hangout, Borderline Bar and Grill. Very, very large. Very large. If you look at it, look how big that is. Now that is big. Look at that. Big barbecues, big probably pool tables, a lot of alcohol, big surf hangout right here in Thousand Oaks, California. And I'm going to enter apparently one of the areas where the shooters were, which there were no shooters at all. Basically it was electrical discharge. Somebody monkey wrenched the property, created electrical discharge. It could have been the government or the government's friends or families. And they made everyone think they were getting shot when they weren't getting shot. It was actually electrical and pipe crap, mostly electrical. So this is it right here. I'm going to go up further. And you'll see Mexicans started digging here. They always have Mexicans do all the fucking monkey wrenching here. Hispanics and Mexicans, they're fucking distrustful. They basically work for the government and they're fucking very, very distrustful people. I would never eat nothing from those fuckers. So anyways, here's the flowers, here are the scarecrows. This was definitely a scarecrow shootout. I apparently didn't want certain people hanging out here. You know, fuck their old man theory and their old computer man. I really don't give a shit about their stupid little game. It's a little bit too paranoid. They went to an extreme. They control everyone, dumb everyone down, and make everyone feel like shit so they can have a bigger paycheck and hire more law enforcement people when nothing of the sort ever happened. It's a bunch of lies. Look at this. That's great. There's nothing wrong with what they did, but they overdid it. They did it too many times all over California and the rest of the states, and it's a total fucking lie. And fuck Alex Jones, because the people he hires now, they're all marketing, they're all ex-armed forces, some of them, not all of them. Some of them are probably ex-sheriff or police, I don't know, but he's a very unhealthy person. He's not supposed to be promoting guns, drugs, and he's overweight. He is very unhealthy. He is sick. Do not promote guns and drugs at the same time. He made a very big mistake. He's not believable. He is sick. He's sick as a sheriff. This is the original stuff that was put here. Little reef. That's great. People do get shot all over, not just government people, but people get shot all over the United States because of crime, drugs, distrustful people, paranoid people. The property owners commit the most crimes out of anyone in the United States, especially the seniors, because they have their money, retirement, and their weapons, their guns. They're the ones that do all this propaganda with the law enforcement. They're no good. That's great. I'm not pro-guns. I don't like drugs, but corrupt fucking law enforcement, man, excuse my language, they are so corrupt. They're all uneducated. They inherited their money, and they're paranoid because they don't share, and they evil eye to everyone. They didn't read the Bible. They didn't do nothing good in life except their stupid fucking job, man. And it's all a lie. September 11th, 2001, it's a lie. It never happened. This is the same propaganda schema or blueprint outline, whatever you want to call it, parameters like George Bush Sr. and George Bush Jr. within the parameters. He's a fucking Texas loser. None of it ever happened. That was just to control everyone else who wasn't with the government. You guys do not represent the government 100%. You are not all government. You're all anti-government, anti-freedom. Your technocracy technology is fucking crap. Your Hollywood mimicking is crap. Do a better Hollywood job next time. Go work in fucking studios or something. Anyways, this is it. Whatever that means, they wrote a bunch of stuff here. The neighborhood or locals. That's great. I'm with them, but I don't like the guns and drugs. And you're still smoking pot and going after guns and drugs. And you're still selling guns to people, you stupid government. There's gun shops all over the place here. You're fucking liars. A shootout never happened because you wouldn't be selling that many guns and opening more gun stores here in Ventura County if those shootings ever happened. There would be no more gun stores in the States if those shootings happened. Fucking liars. Excuse my language again. You're no fucking good. Your government is corrupt. You're selfish. You're weird, man. You guys do not represent all of the government. You're not even government. You're witchcraft. You hate freedom. You hate diversity. You don't like poverty. You're fucking scum. Government here in the United States is no fucking good, and the sheriffs are fucking, basically, my eyes I'm concerned, they're fucking pedophiles, man. All the electronic and electrical crap makes everyone so sick. You dirty fuckers. You polluted the United States. Your law enforcement is no fucking good. And here I am coming around the corner. This is the other side of the bar and grill. They are no good. They're polluting everyone. The CHP are paranoid as well. They got all the computers stashed underneath the freeway or something. I don't know what their fucking problem is. They're fucking sick, man. This is the other side right here. It's definitely closed down. I don't know what they're going to do with it. And let's see. Yep. Shootout. I don't see any shootout windows. There's no glass there. There's no bullet holes. They lied. There's no glasses, glass bits and pieces. There's no nothing. There's no beer bottles. There's one there. There's no shootout. They just covered it with wood. It never happened. It never happened. How sad. That is too fucking sad. There was no fucking glass, shrapnel, nothing. They just boarded it up because there was probably some homeless people camping here. They do it all the time. They empty properties and they just boarded it up. They stunk everyone out with their fucking electrical discharge and their stupid street computers. They smoked everyone. They do it everywhere in Ventura County, and they're fucking scum. They're dirty, rotten, paranoid, monkey-wrenching fucking scum. They are not the government. They don't represent the government as far as I'm concerned, most of the employees. They just want the paycheck, and they fuck everyone over, and it's probably like that in many other states. I'm not saying it's like that in all the states, but California is the worst. Because the greediest fuckers come here from all over the world, not just native to California, they come from other states and other countries, and they get law enforcement jobs, and they do the same fucking greedy shit that they're not supposed to do. They never helped anyone. They're not front line. You guys are not front line people. You're not helping nobody. You're selfish. You fucking liars, man. I hope it happens real for you. The real shootout. Maybe it'll happen to you for real, you fucking losers. As you can see, the borderline bar and grill, they left one sign there. That's it right there. Look at that. Borderline, strong, whatever that means. Yeah, stay strong with your propaganda. You went overboard. They did it too many times. That's why they're not believable anymore. It didn't happen. September 11th, 2001, 911 did not happen, and there are no frontline people. They're all selfish, regular workers. Most of them did not educate themselves. They don't even like to read. They don't like nature. All they care about is their fucking property and their paycheck. Look at that. Now the real one shows here. They had to cover up the other one because they don't want homeless camping people or whatever to know that that's where the shootout was. Anyways, I'm done.